This is my response to presidential candidate Ben Carson. Mr. Carson, what if someone told you that you couldn't become president because of your color? What if someone told you that you couldn't become president because of your race? What if someone told you you couldn't become president because of your faith? And that's what you did to me. I wanted to become president since I was 3 years old. When I barely knew how to walk. I was going to preschool. And I would brag to my little tiny friends that I'm going to become president one day. And you basically shattered my dreams because you said that a Muslim person cannot become president. People back in the 60s, 70s, during slavery, people would say that black people couldn't become president. Guess what? I'm black and I'm Muslim. So if I break, Obama already broke that black people boundary, and I will break that Muslim boundary. I will become the first Muslim president. And you will see that when I become president, I will respect people of all faiths, all colors, and all religions. It doesn't matter if they're Jew, if they're Muslim, if they're Hindu, if they're atheist. It doesn't matter if they're Christian. It doesn't matter if they still believe in Greek and Roman mythology. I don't care. They're still human beings, and we should treat them with respect. And obviously, you don't know what respect is. My name is Yusuf Dayour, and guess what? I don't care what you say, because I will become president.